Namaste everyone. So we are going to the chapters perimeter and area. So today I will be solving few questions from 11.3. So let me solve question number 4. So the question is, a gardener want to fence a circular garden of diameter 21. So it's a circular garden. Okay, and it is given the diameter is 21 meter. So is the center of the circle and AB is the diameter, which is given 21 meter. Find the length of the rope he needs to purchase if he make 2 round of fence. Also find the cost of the rope if it costs rupees 4 per meter. Now you see we have to find the length of the rope that is required, okay, for this circular garden to make fence. Now for this we have to find the circumference of the circle. Okay, so already it is given diameter. So diameter of the circular garden it is 21 meter. Therefore what we can say about the radius is equal to, it is 21 by 2 meter. Let us keep it as a fraction. Okay, now since we have to make fence, okay, around this garden which is circular in shape, so we have to find the circumference of this circle. Therefore circumference of the circular garden equal to 2 pi r, that is 2 into 22 by 7 into r, which is 21 by 2 meter. Now we can reduce these two and these two will be reduced, and 7 1 is 7, 7 3 is 21. So now multiply 20 it is 66 meter. So our circumference of the circular garden is 66 meter. So find the length of the rope he needs to purchase if he make 2 round of the fence. Now this circular garden needs to be fenced with a rope, and the length of the rope required, it is twice the circumference, because it is already given in the question. He makes 2 round of the fence. So 2 round means twice the circumference. Therefore length of the rope required, it is 2 into circumference of the circle. So 2 into 66 meter, it is 132 meter. So now we have to find the cost of the rope, and it is already mentioned that cost of the rope per meter, it is rupees 4. Okay, cost of the rope per meter means 1 meter. 1 meter it is equal to rupees 4. Therefore we have to find out the cost of 132 meter. Therefore cost of the rope 132 meter, it is equal to rupees 4 into 132, which is equal to rupees, so 4 2 is 8, it is 528 rupees. So in this way we have to solve question number 4. Now let me solve question number 5. Okay, now question number 5. From a circular sheet of radius 4 centimeter. So let us draw a circular sheet, okay, which is radius is 4 centimeter. So let us take O as the center and O is the radius, which is equal to 4 centimeter. Okay. A circle of radius 3 centimeter is removed. Now, with same O as center, let us draw another circle where the radius is 3 centimeter. Okay. Now, what is given in the question that a radius of 4 centimeter circle, from a radius of 4 centimeter circle, a radius of 3 centimeter circle is removed. So we have to find the remaining circle, okay, remaining area of the circle. Okay, so this black dotted I have shown you, not that by giving this line, okay, zigzag line, I am showing that this portion area we have to find out, that is the remaining area of the circle. So how can we do? First, let us take out the area of this big circle, okay, and let us give here another this OB as 3 centimeter radius. So let us find the area of the bigger circle. So area of the bigger circle, okay, it is pi r square, pi r square. Okay, let us write this r as capital R. So pi r square, so pi value 22/7 into r, it is 4 square. So it is 22/7 into 4 into 4. So what we will get? It is 4 4 just 16. So 22 into 16. So it is 352. So 352 by 7, it is centimeter square. Now let us find the area of the smaller circle. Area of the smaller circle. So area of the smaller circle, it is, the formula is pi, let us take the radius as smaller, r square. So 22/7 into r, it is given 3 centimeter. So it will be 3 square. Okay. So we can write here 22/7 into 3 into 3. Now 22, it is 9. So 198 by 7 centimeter square. Therefore, the remaining area of the circle, so remaining area of the circle, it is equal to 352. So area of the bigger circle minus area of the smaller circle. So it is 352 by 7 minus 198 by 7 centimeter square. So 7 it will be, LCM will be 7. 352 minus 198. So the answer will be so 154 by 7. So let us divide it. 7 1 is 7. 7 2s are 14. So the answer will be 22 centimeters square. So question number 5, we have to solve in this way. Okay, we have to subtract the area of the bigger circle minus area of the smaller circle to find out the remaining area of the circle. Okay, question number 7. As you can see, this is our semicircle. Okay, semicircle means half of the circle, and we have to find out the perimeter of this region. So the perimeter of this region will be half of the circle, which is a semicircle, plus this diameter. So here AB is the diameter. Okay, so it is already given that the diameter of this circle is 10 centimeter. Okay, so diameter of the circle, it is 10 centimeter. Therefore radius of the circle, it is d by 2, which is diameter by 2, that is 10 by 2 equal to 5 centimeter. So therefore circumference of the semicircle equal to 2 pi r divided by 2. Why? Because semicircle means half of the circle. So therefore circumference of the semicircle equal to, it is circumference of the circle divided by 2. Okay, so these two and these two we can reduce now, that is pi r. Now put the value 22 by 7 into r. So r it is given 5. Now it is 110 by 7 centimeter. Therefore circumference of this figure, sorry for writing wrongly, perimeter of the given figure it is equal to circumference of the semicircle plus diameter. Which is equal to 110 divided by 7 plus 10. Okay, so this 10 we can take 10 by 1, so the LCM will be 7. 110 plus 70, so it is 180 divided by 7 centimeter. So let us keep in fraction. So this is our required answer for question number 7. So question number 8, find the cost of polishing a circular tabletop of diameter 1.6 meter. Okay, so it is a circular tabletop. Let us draw a circle. Now already it is given diameter is 1.6 meter. So let us draw diameter. Let us give name. This is A and this is B. Okay, and the diameter is 1.6. It is 1.6 meter. Okay, so at first we have to find the area, because it is already given in the question that the rate of polishing it is rupees 15 per meter square. So per meter square, that means what? We have to find the area of this circular table. Then only we can find out the cost of polishing this table. Okay, so this tabletop. So let us find out the area of this circle. The diameter of the table top equal to 1.6 meter. So therefore the radius of the table top, it is 1.6 divided by 22 meter, that is it is 0.8 meter. Now therefore area of the circular tabletop, it is equal to pi r square. So and this pi is already given, it is 3.14, so we have to take out this, we take this value 3.14 into radius we are having 0.8 square, so it is 3.14 into, so 0.8 square, it is 0.64. Now we have to multiply this, so 3.14 into 0.64, so it is 2.0096 meter square. Now we have to find cost of polishing this tabletop. Therefore the rate of polishing the table top, it is equal to rupees 15 into 2.0096. So let us again do multiplication. 2.0096 into 15. So the answer is 30.1440. So since the pi value it is approx, so we can write here approx. So this is our answer, rupees 30.1440. So with this I want to conclude, and the rest of the questions will be solving in the online classes. 1-2 questions I will be giving you homework, so you do it. That's all. Thank you.